new cha-cha section. So basically we're going walk, walk, cha-cha-cha in a circle with the correct technique with the hip action and timing. 2, 3, 4, and 1. 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 And when we did the full circle, we're going 2, 3 here, 4, and 1. Now we have a check forward walk. 2, round the chasse. 3, 4, 1. We have a hip twist chasse. 2, 3, 4, 1. We have a basic time step. 2, 3, 4, and 1. Now we have syncopated time step. 2 and 3, 4, and 1. Hold 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. And here we have just a little bit improvisation party mode. That's it.